Video today. I'm gonna be playing Flood Escape. So I'm not gonna use a coil this time. I'm not gonna use a coil. I'm not gonna use a coil or the dash. So what I'm actually gonna do is I actually haven't made a video in such a long time. Like I haven't talked, and mostly I just make random clips of I just make clips. But now I'm gonna make a long video. So do you remember Son versus Mom Cooking got 5,000 views, which is insane. So thank you guys for watching that video. Let's try to blow it up more. And also please subscribe because we need to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah. So let's just get on the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play hard mode without a coil or the dash thing. So let's see how much times I would win. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a bit. So guys, okay, finally it's been a long time, so let's actually try it now. Let's play now. And we're just playing a game. Okay. I'm ready. Let's do this. I just hope I don't die. Bam. Okay, just demolishing this. Ah! No. Come on. Let's go. People are already dying. Okay, shoot, 4 people left. Okay, I'll get that. Come on, get it. Get it. Oh, it's right there. Get it. Get it. Let's go. Okay, we're so close. Okay, I think this is the last one, I think. Yeah, I think it's the last one. Okay. Okay, let's just do this. Bro, you guys are just, bro. Okay, I think we're on I think this is the last stage. I think is the last stage. It has to be the last stage. Let's go. Come on, quick, I gotta do this. I gotta do this. Ah! I'm stuck! No, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I'm literally stuck! I'm literally stuck! No. Okay, let's go. Okay, alright. Let's go. Let's go! We did it! Let's try to hit. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe because we need to get 100 subscribers by the end of the year.